Hello everyone, welcome to Greenpointe to another product review. I was wanting to talk with you today about those big sanding jobs. You know, the one where maybe once in a while you get a customer that has 3,000 or 4,000 square feet in a big space that they want you to sand and refinish. You get to the job, you've got your top end sanding machine, and you're ready to go to work, and you're wondering, how in the world am I going to get through 3,000 square feet by the end of the day? Well, you know what? I'd like to introduce to you the Apex Rider and show you how simple it is to upgrade your whole sanding game. Watch this. This is so simple to connect. You have these two traverse arms that connect to your sanding machine from the rider cart. Two keepers that lock in place to hold all the pieces together, and you are ready to sand. The beauty of this thing is that it's a battery-powered cart, lithium-ion battery that will last for a 10 to 12 hour working shift. It'll operate with one sanding machine. You can actually operate with two sanding machines if you choose to do that. For the purpose of this demo, I'm showing it with one sanding machine. Very simple to run. The foot pedal here gives you control of the forward and backward motion. You have the controls right at your fingertips. You are not walking up and down the floor anymore, my friends. You are riding in style and sanding effectively. Look at that. Perfect speed control. Your drum goes down. You can concentrate on the quality of the sanding. Drum comes up, change directions, and you're sanding again in reverse, just like it would have been when you're walking behind the machine. But this way, you can sand for 8 hours and not be any more tired on your knees and hips than you were at the start of the day. If that doesn't sound like a winner, what does? Give us a call, check this thing out, it is awesome.